Hello guys, welcome to Data Decoded. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to use the transpose function in an Excel worksheet. So the transpose function in an Excel worksheet is used to convert your rows to columns or vice versa. So let's go straight to the video. First of all, open your Excel worksheet. So click on let's impute data we can use to work and practice. So Jan, let's impute the months of the year. Verb, then select fill up to December. Let's fill up to December. Let's do the drag. Okay, and let's put 2 3 4 2 3 5 here. Then select and fill 2. Okay, so in the first method of transposing your data, the first way of doing it is by using the transpose formula. So in using this method, all you have to do is select the number of cells you need for your data, the exact number you want to transpose into. The first one, okay. Then when you've selected it, you start writing your formula equal to transpose, then you open the brackets, then you select your array. When you selected your array, you don't press enter, you press Ctrl Shift Enter to transpose your data. In the second method is by using what they call the static method, but I prefer to call it the copy and paste method. So in this method, all you have to do, go to your data sets, you copy it, then you right click, then copy, right click to copy, and come to where you want to transpose into, right click, click on paste special, then you see transpose written there, you tick it and click OK. So in the third method, what you do, first of all, let's deselect this to take the third method. Third method, instead of using equal to on your cells, which is going to cause you a problem later, you can try it on your own to see what's going to be. Let's pick AS lowercase, then our first cell there is H1. You go down, you pick AS again, I1, and you highlight your cells, then drag to fill. Okay, then you go to your find and replace. You do find AS and replace with equal to. Click on replace all. See, to replace 24 selections we had, then you must have transposed your data. So these are the 3 easiest ways whereby you can transpose your data in an Excel worksheet. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.